children, in previous video I have already discussed about the Roman numerals. I think all of you have got a clear concept about Roman numerals. Now I am going to discuss about the exercise, page number 31. And chapter name is Roman numerals. Page number 31. Now, in exercise question number 1, write the following in Roman numerals. So 18, you can easily write 18, 10 plus 8, so x, v, I. Next, b, 29. So 20 double x, 9, ix. So 9, because x is 10, I means 1. When you write the numeral before the greater one, you have to subtract. So 10 minus 1, 9. So 29. C, 33. This one very easy. 30 plus 3, 30 means 3x and 3 means 3i. Clear? Now D, 49. 40 means, I have already told in previous video that 40 means XL. L means 50. X, when you write the x before the L, you have to subtract 50 minus 10, 40. So 40 means XL IX, 49. Now, question number 2. Write in Hindu order numerals. A, XI means 13. B, XXV means 25. Now C, XXXIX means 39. 3x 30, ix 9. So 39. B, XLIV, XL 40, IV 4. So 44. Now 3. Fill in the boxes with greater than, smaller than, equal sign. The first one, A. XVI means 17 and XXV1 means 26. So 17 is less than 26. B, IX means 9, X means 10. So 9 is smaller than 10. C, XXXI means 31 and XXX means 30. So 31 is greater than 30. So greater than sign. Clear? Now number 4. Solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. Question number 4. I am starting from here. Question number 4. Solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. A, X, V, I, X equal XV means X10, V5. So 15 minus 9 equal 15 minus 9, 6. So 6 means V1. Clear? Now B, V1 VI plus X VI. VI means 6 plus 16 equal 22. 22 means 20 plus 2 XX II. C, x I minus v. X I 13 minus 5 equal 8. 8 means v I d. X minus x I. 30 minus equal x 30 minus 21 equal 9 means ix. Clear? I think everyone can clear your concept now. The next one, multiple choice question. A. Question number A. The number of basic symbol in the Roman system is 6, 7, 8 or 5. Already you know that the 7 symbol for Roman numerals. So A, 1, B answer. Now 2. Which of the following cannot be subtracted? LU never be subtracted. So answer is L means B. Now 3. Which of the following is meaningless? So A is correct 25, B is also correct 33x, C is also correct 36. So D is meaningless because here is 4x present. So you cannot repeat x 4 times. You cannot repeat x more than 3 times. You can repeat the x 3 times only. So here is the repetition is 4 times, so this one is incorrect. Now 4. Which of the following cannot be subtracted from x? The value of the x is 10 and the M, D and C are greater than x. So you cannot subtract from x. So number D is answer. So none of. Now question number 5. Roman numerals do not have I, X, L. All are present. All symbols are present in Roman numerals, but no symbol for 0. So option D. 0 is answer. Sorry, I am question number 4. I have missed here. Question number 5. I have missed here. So once again, I am doing the question number 5. And page number 31. Question number 5. Which of the following are meaningless? Which of the following are meaningless? 5A is also correct. So, because this one is 8, so this one is correct. B. You cannot write I, 3I before 5. So this one is meaningless. Next, C is also meaningless. C also meaningless. I, X, you cannot write in this way. So these two are meaningless. So B and C are quiet. B and C are meaningless. D is also correct. XII means 12. Now page number 32. Page number 32. True and false. Right? True or false? B. 1. X cannot be subtracted from L. So this one is false. X, you can subtract X from L. So this is false. Number 2. Repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. Yes, the rule number 1, repetition of the Roman numeral is addition. So this is true. 3. There is a place value in Roman system. No. Roman system there is no place value system. So this one is false. Number 4. In Roman numerals there is no symbol for 0.
Yes, there is no symbol for 0 in Roman system, Roman numeral system. So this one is true. Number 5. The numeral 40 is represented as XXXX. No, you cannot repeat X more than 3 times. So this one is false. Clear beta? Now, C. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Roman numeral D represent the number. D means the value of the D is, I have told in the previous video, the value of the D is 500. The Roman numeral for 1000 is, which symbol represent 1000? In 3. The number XL II is written in Hindu Arabic numeral is, XL means 40, II 2I means 2, so 42. Now 4. Writing L after X means 50 minus X. Writing L after X. L after X. Why? L after X. X. So this one is L after X. This one L is present after the X. So when you put the smaller value before the larger value, so you have to subtract. So it means 50 minus 10, 40. So answer is L and X. Writing L after X means 50 minus 10. Writing X. Number 5. Writing X before X. Writing X before X means 2X. Writing X before X means 2X. X before X. So this one is X plus X, 20. Clear? Now the number D. Ankit there is a problem. What problem? You have to solve this one. Ankit have to stuck in a problem, so he takes the help of his elder brother. The problem is, what is the greatest and the smallest number that you can make by using the following Roman numerals? What are the symbol here given? Roman numerals, and you have to make the greatest and the smallest numerals using I, V, L and X. So greatest number is, greatest number is using I, V, L and X. Greatest number is LX, V, I. Means LX means, L means 50, X means 10. When you write down the smaller value after the larger one, you have to add. So 50 plus 10, 60. This one is 6. So answer, this one is 66. Clear? And the smallest number using Roman numerals by using these symbols is XL IV. XL IV. XL means 40. XL means 40. IV means 4. So 44. So 44. Clear? I think this whole exercise I have completed here through this video. You can practice this one again and again at home. Thank you.